Your destination for success begins with financial independence, which is merely the freedom to wake up every morning and tell the world, I dance to the beat of my own drum. It's that simple, yet that complex. Welcome, all you dreamers, doers, and game changers out there. Today, we're diving into the intricate yet fascinating world of affiliate marketing. You're probably wondering, what's this all about? Well, imagine a world where you could earn money while sipping a cup of tea in your pajamas. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? But hold on to your hats, because this is no fairy tale. It's the reality of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, my dear friends, is like being the middleman in a high-stakes game of trade. You promote a product, someone buys it through your recommendation, and voila, you earn a commission. It's as simple as that. But here's where it gets perplexing. The internet is a vast jungle, and finding the right product to promote could be akin to finding a needle in a haystack. Now, this is where we introduce a dash of magic, a sprinkle of innovation, and a whole lot of convenience. Picture a system already done for you that eliminates the guesswork and presents you with the golden opportunities. A system that does the heavy lifting, leaving you to enjoy the fruits of your labor. This done-for-you affiliate business system is not just a tool. It's your personal assistant, your guide, your torchbearer in the dark alleys of the internet. It's your ticket to financial independence, your chance to dance to the beat of your own drum. But remember, every magic comes with a touch of mystery, and this is no exception. The done-for-you affiliate business system is like a puzzle box, intriguing yet rewarding. It's not just about making money, it's about understanding the game, mastering the art, and then conquering the world. Now here's a thought. What if you could be part of this revolution? What if you could take charge of your life, earn money from the comfort of your home, and still have time for what truly matters? Intriguing, isn't it? In the words of the wise, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dare to dream, dare to believe, and dare to take the first step towards financial independence. Take the time to try the ABS Done-For-You affiliate business system. Unravel the mystery, unlock the potential, and unleash the power of affiliate marketing. Because the world is yours to conquer, and the time is now. So gear up, step into the arena, and let the games begin. The future awaits, and it's brighter than ever. Join us at our live demo event on Tuesday, October 31st at 9 p.m. Eastern, 6 p.m. Pacific. Click the link below the video for more information and to register for the event. You will be happy that you made the decision to achieve financial independence with the help of the ABS Done-For-You affiliate business system. We'll see you at your destination for success.